fuel. Try to turn round. Balls. Balls. A good day to test my bike. Should have got fuel. See, not going to turn around, I've run out of fuel.
Seconds later.
Cheers.
I managed to save North Devon's third biggest.
Oh no. Thank you very much.
What a nightmare.
I hope I haven't flushed loads of in my carbs.
What's that?
I hope I haven't flushed loads of in the carbs.
I have to give it a bit of a
Thrashing.
bit of a rev, yeah, a bit of tater.
How much do I owe you?
Oh, don't be daft. I owe you a master cylinder anyway, don't I? I broke your brakes.
Oh yeah. God, he bought a lot, didn't he?
Well, it's like a minimum amount, isn't it?
Oh, is it?
Oh, just about. It's hard to tell, isn't it, when you pump it?
Oh yeah. That's what she said.
What's your tank, like 40 litres?
It's quite a lot. Oh, I smell weed. Can you smell that?
Do you really?
That's a bandit as well.
It sounds better.
Yeah.
At the moment, isn't it? Oh, what a nightmare. I've never done it yet, but I'm sure I will.
Well, I've got no fuel gauge, and I never leave the reserve on because it just cuts in too early.
Is it automatic?
So
Is the reserve,
there is a reserve tab. You can't really see it because it's all worn, it's old. But I always leave it off because it just tells me too early. And it annoys me. I'm like, no, I only need to put a $5 in or something. No.
How long have you been here?
I don't know, half an hour.
I got to. Have you literally just pulled over when I messaged?
Yeah, about 5-10 minutes before. You wasn't very long.
That's random, isn't it?
Yeah.
I must have known deep down.
Yeah. Well, I've got your number now, so. Right, cheers. New fuel. Thanks, Lee. What's he doing? Oh, he's on his phone. It's probably tweeting. I've just met North Devon's third biggest motovlogger.
And there he goes, off into the distance, fully fueled and ready to go.
I think I might call this video how to get free fuel.